Hi everybody, this is Andrew from Biotactics, and I'm here now to explain where we've been for the past year and a half. Please understand that sharing what happened and how it happened has potentially drastic and far-reaching implications for the entire agriculture industry. Before I could tell my story, we had to finish up all the legal proceedings, and I had to be 100% sure that we were going to come out of this. Sharing my story could make me some pretty powerful enemies. Companies that have been known to intimidate those who speak up about findings that could hurt their profits. I'm asking everyone watching this to share it. Share it as far as you can, as wide as you can, as soon as you can. This is my attempt at going public. So with that said, my entire insectary was poisoned with a neonicotinoid systemic insecticide, and I have direct evidence that neonics are creating poisonous pests in agricultural fields across the US. Thank you for continuing to this video. Now I can explain how we were poisoned by the neonics. Just for some background, we're an insectary that raises predatory mites. Farmers release our predators onto their crops to control pests like spider mites. Part of our process involves raising these spider mites on lima bean plants that we grow from seed. The seed that we use is treated with a fungicide. In June of 2021, we received a shipment of seed that was, unbeknownst to us, also treated with a neonicotinoid systemic insecticide. For those of you that are unfamiliar, systemic means that it's inside the plant tissue and it lasts 50 to 100 times longer than just spraying it on. And neonics are the most common agricultural pesticide used in the world. Now, this part is incredibly important. We feed our predators the eggs laid by the spider mites that were raised on these lima bean plants. Our spider mites ingested the now toxic leaf tissue and metabolized it into a different, even stronger neonic, both of which are widely used in food production today. Let me reiterate. I have lab results that show that the parents are less toxic than the offspring. There's 3 times as much of the stronger neonic in the eggs than the original poison from the seed treatment. And that's what I fed my predators. And that's how I lost 12 million of them overnight. Now, imagine you're a lima bean farmer or a strawberry farmer, and you found spider mites. Any predatory mites that you apply are gonna die. Native predatory species have all been killed off the same way. And what's even worse is that farmers use these every year across the country. Now, zoom out. This is happening on a global scale. I'm working with academic leaders and trusted farmers to publish these findings, and I'm sharing this with you today to get the attention of those in the position to enact real change so we can save our food and our land and our future. I'm Andrew from Biotactics, and I look forward to growing with you.